All right, this is Frankie. I'm documenting the snow. This is Johnny, the home director, and this is brother Denny into his ass.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
As you can see outside, we're gonna be trapped here for months. We're gonna wind up eating each other, whoever dies and whoever's on discipline.
Yes.
Because we're gonna be snowed in.
Me do a flip. Speaking of blizzard.
This brother, what you say you're doing? What?
I'm gonna do a flip.
You're gonna do a flip in the snow?
Yeah.
Only the guys from Phoenix, Arizona. Woo! All three of these guys. Johnny, the home director. Nicholas, Denny.
Like no other.
You see, Denny never seen snow before.
I'm out here. Look at this crazy boy.
All right, we're here at the Blizzard. My God.
Okay, I'm doing flip. I'm give me a recorder out. Give me a recorder
All right.
I'm doing flip. How they see out here?
All right, this guy is nuts. It's a blizzard, and he's on his T-shirt. We're in front of the men's home, VO Brooklyn. He's doing flips in the snow. Oh my God! That is hilarious. As you can see, the snow is piling up in the city. Oh, baby!
He just did the Afro Ninja.
Going inside in the blizzard because oh my God, I almost froze. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the blizzard. How do you? Okay, how do you shut this door?
Oh, we gotta send that to YouTube, bro. Yes. That's the Afro Ninja Brooklyn.
What? He did the flip, right?
Oh my goodness, bro.
Johnny, how do you shut that door? Can you get the rope off?
Send to Pastor. Look at this, Frankie.